Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and I'm back on here to give you a Cricut tutorial. I am putting a monogram on my baby twins hoodie, and as you see, I have the monogram here on the design space, and I loaded it. I'm still in Cricut Design Space, and it's on the mat, so I'm going to press the mirror image to flip the image. And as you can see, my Cricut Machine is already on. And here's the hoodie that I'm going to be putting the monogram on. And I'm going to be using this beautiful pink vinyl. And I'm going to use the matte this time. And I'm going to go ahead and load it in. Just make sure that your knob is turned to iron on. Press the arrow button. And the flashing C, which is the Cricut symbol, is ready. So press it to cut the vinyl. And as you can see, it's cutting the vinyl, and it normally doesn't take long to go ahead and cut the vinyl, the letters into the vinyl. You should be finishing up soon. I'm going to go back over here to see what is the percentage, and the percentage right now is 44%. And as you see, it went to 56%, 67%. So it doesn't take long. Okay, now it's finished. So you press the arrow button to release the vinyl and the mat. Take the vinyl off the mat. And now I'm going to get my scissors so that I can cut the letters out, the monogram. And just make sure that you don't cut the letters, just cut around it. And now I'm going to use my X-Acto knife to remove the vinyl. To start it so that I can remove the excess vinyl that I don't need. It takes a little time to get it started, but you can go ahead and get that done. As you see right here, it didn't take long. And I'm just removing the vinyl that I don't need around my letters. And just make sure that you are not removing any of the vinyl from your letters. You just want to remove the ones that you don't need. And just keep the ones that you need. Alright, make sure you go slowly to get it off. Okay, now that I have that part off, I'm going to start removing the ones from my letters, the excess vinyl that I don't need. And just keep removing the excess vinyl that you don't need from your letters. As you see, I'm removing the ones from my daughter's initials. And when using the X-Acto knife or a pick, You just make sure that you find the excess so that you can pull it up. And once you find it, it's pretty easy to remove. As you can see right here. Alright, just take your time. Just make sure that you get everything off. And I'm using the Monogram KK font from thefont.com. That's a really pretty font. Alright, so now I'm finished and I'm just looking over everything just to make sure that I've gotten all the excess vinyl off that I don't need. And now I'm about to go over here to apply the Monogram with my Cricut, with my Easy Press, my heat press. And first, what you want to do is just to press out any wrinkles that may be in your, whatever it is that you put in the Monogram on. And as you see right here, I'm just loading it on the heat press just to press out any of those wrinkles that I see. And you don't hold it on there very long, just press and release. Okay, so now it's time to put my Monogram on. And I'm just going to kind of line it up a little bit. And I think that's good. I'm going to put it about right. Probably about right here. And don't forget to use your Teflon sheet and just put it over the Monogram. And I have my heat press, as you can see, on 330 for 15 seconds. And again, my heat press, it goes up and down. Okay, so now you can press, it went off, so you can remove your Teflon sheet. And remove the carrier sheet from your letters. But be careful just to make sure that it's adhered to the shirt so that you won't remove any of your letters. Okay, and always put your Teflon sheet back over your Monogram letters so that you can heat press it again. And I probably won't go for the whole 15 seconds, just enough to get the Monogram adhered to the vinyl adhered to the shirt. Okay, so remove your Teflon sheet, and here's the finished product. And it looks really good. And again, it's a pink hoodie for my baby twin, my daughter.